Hey guys, Fidush is here, and I'm gonna be playing some Hungry Shark. Yup, and I have the Bull Shark, so let's get into this. Come on. The Bull Shark, this is Hungry Shark World, and there's lots of sharks. But this is like the large shark, it's pretty good. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. So, I'm pretty good at this game. I've been playing for a while, so I can get to the shark. And I'm waiting to get the X large shark, and the XX large shark, and then the megalodon. My friend has one of the megalodons. It's pretty cool. Can I jump over? No. Yes, I can. Come on. Oh, the volcano area. It's too hard to handle. I need to get out of here. Oh, these. Oh, gosh. Let's find something else. Uh-oh, no. I can eat you, by the way. Oh my god. These. Well, I'm dead. There we go. Oh, I leveled up. That's good. I'll play one more round, and then yeah, that's it. Come on. There we go. There's the bull shark. I don't really know if the bull shark's actually good or not, but it's in the game. It's more large, so it's pretty good. Okay, I want to get in the water. Water, come here. There we go. I think Hungry Shark is like pretty fun to play with. You guys can get it, but you can. There's two different types of Hungry Sharks. One Hungry Shark like Evolution, and one is Hungry Shark World. That's what I'm playing. Hungry Shark World has like more sharks to play, and it's more fun. Yeah, I like to play with it more. Let's find any more fishes. Ooh, I was about to get hit. Yes, let's enter the wreckage. The gallon. I was leaving the gallon. Okay, let's enter the wreckage. Let's see what we can get here. We can only get the electric shock. Is there anything here? Yes, a person. Useful. What else? Come on. I want to get Gold Rush and then Mega Rush so I can eat the Great White. Come on, that's so close. Gold Rush. Mega Rush. Whoa! Oh, that was nice. That was nice. I love Mega Rushes. They're like, cause did you see there? I just ate the Great White, and I need an XX large to eat it. Oh, what dodge that? Come on, let's get in. Oh, that dodge. Oh, there's so many mines. It's like a mine place. Money. Oh yes, I can eat the squid. Boom! Let it destroy. Yes, come here, hammerhead sharks. Nice hammerhead. Super nice hammerhead. What was that shark? Ooh, I don't like. I better stay away because I can't touch it. I can't handle that shark. If I touch the ground is too hot. It's like a volcano. It's a volcano literally underwater, so that's pretty weird. Come on. Boom. I have my force field on, so. What is that? Oh, those are some money. 250 gold is mine. Wait for the humans. Boom! Look how many pelicans there are. Jesus. Whoa, there's so many pelicans. Come on, let's check. Oh, gold rush. Come on, anything gold. Can be nice. My garage is still empty, so that's alright. Come on. Let me try to get all the letters. So let's check where they are. So I'm here. There's H there. Let me go with the H. Or H, whatever. Oh, the Y. I didn't see that. Okay, Y is here also. Yeah, gemfish. Wait, let's see what this is. Oh, the H is right here. Where is it? Somewhere about here. Come here. And you too. Gold rush, yes. Come here. You are shooting me up. Where's the H? It's up there. How did I get that? No. No. There we go. Okay, now I need to get the... What should I get? I can't even find any letters. Maybe I'm just... There's you down there. Let's go get it. I can't eat it. Okay. Come here, squid. And... Yep. Let's go down. And... Like I'm on a roll now. I'm gonna dodge them because they... Oh, so close. Yes! I have the underwater card. Come here. Come here. You. Yes! There we got the U. Were we looking for you though? I don't know. Oh, that dodges though. That dodges. Whale! Oh, if I got the Mega Rush, that would be good. Imagine I get the Mega Rush now. And then I go eat the whale. Yum yum. Okay. What else is there here? Oh, there's a G. But there's a tiger shark in the bottom and I don't want to go face against him. So I'm going to go from the top part. Humans, no! No! And there's another tiger shark. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, I need to get the letters. I need to get the letters. No, I'm using a gem. I don't care. Oh no, go away. Run. Yes, I got it. So that will be alright. Enough for them. For me. G. Yes. Okay, now what do I need? Okay, what do I need now? Come here. Who are you throwing spears at? Where are you throwing spears at? Are those like dolphins or something? Oh, dolphins! Huh. I never saw dolphins. Dolphins hurt you? Boom! I snapped the ship in half. Oh, snap. Okay, I got the, well, I don't know. Oh, auras all the way there. I'll get it. And I'll become one of the world's biggest sharks. Down is dangerous, but that's like more safe because some other, oh no. Oh no. It's alright, come on. More. More, no. No. Come here. I wanna eat. No, no. No. I wanna watch a video now. I can't take it. I can't take it. I'm back live, yeah. I'm going away. Oh no. Get away from me. You monster. Yes. Oh, not the yuck, not the yuck. I'm starving. Wait, yes, okay. Is the R close by? Yeah, it's pretty close. No! Good. Yes, yes, go Josh. That will give me a boost to run there. Come on. Let's eat them so we can come home. Come on. Oh, you're eating me. Wrong choice. Wrong choice, bro. No, no. This is so annoying. I'm almost there. No, I'm gonna use a gem. Like the most gems I've ever used in one time. I wish these sharks can go away from me. I think I can do a quick dodge. Run! Yes! Yes! Get away from me! Yeah! Come on, where's the R? The R is so close! Come here! No! No! Yes! Wait for it. Hungry. Look at the size of him. Oh. Oh, you're on jam. Oh. I can go for the mega. Look how big I am. Come on, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, I'm back smiling. Mega rush. Mega. Wait, where's the great white? Is the great white here? No, I can eat anything. Mega rush, mega rush, mega rush, mega rush. Nah, no, come on. The gems was completely worth it. Completely. No, no, no. Thank you. No, no, no. Oh, I just saw a whale on top. I could have got mega. No. That's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked Hungry Shark a lot, 2 level ups, that's good. If you guys liked Hungry Shark a lot, please put in the comments if I should play it again, or if you'd like to play, or if you'd like me to play something else. Please like, subscribe, and peace.